my name is Mr. 4 and this is the Force TV. Today I'll be unboxing the new P38 Pro from Itel.
The guys from Itel have notified us on the box and on their campaign that the P38 is a 3 times fast charger. I shall look for that, and I think that's another topic for another video. But what I've noticed about the P38 and the P series, from the P36, P37 and the P38 series, all of these phones have big battery and they have a good storage also. It says a 64 gig memory or a 32, which is just basic. Right. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do a camera test. I'm going to test these cameras of these two phones, the P38 and the P38 Pro. The P38 Pro has at least 5 filters when it comes to the video, and the photos has at least 5 AI filters that it have for different shades. They're all written in beauty level 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There's a portrait mode, and also it is what we call the HDR for high definition resolution. It is the panorama view, the smart recognize, the Pro. These are for Pro camera users, and there's the time lapse that you can either pause and play, pause and play, pause and play also. And also what I've noticed also on this P38 Pro, it has what we call the touch to shoot, smile shot, as well as the high quality photo quality. I don't know how quality it is because this is 13 megapixel camera, but We shall check out a look. You guys will be the judge of how the pictures are.
Thank you everybody. If you have made it to the end of the video, I would like to say thank you, and thank you for supporting my page. Keep on liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting. You always want to build me. The community is growing each day by day. Yash Gadgets, Force TV, Yash Gadgets. You can get us on Facebook, Force TV, on YouTube. Thank you very much. I'm Mr. 4. I hope you have enjoyed me unboxing and showing the first look of the P38 and also the comparison of the P38 and the P38 Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be releasing new videos, new content as we go by the year. We had so many obstacles on the way, but we are now back with a bang. This is Mr. 4 and this is Force TV. Ciao.